How's it going, everybody? I'm gonna give you a little tip on how to fix a leaky diff, specifically a leaky B6 or B5M or B5 gear diff. First of all, I'm trying out a new angle. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments. Right, so I got this tip from my hobby shop owner when I told him that my diff was leaking a lot. This is back with the B5M. So yeah, so this is the B6 diff, kind of the same thing. And it seized up on me at the B6 Nationals, not the B6 Nationals, the J Concepts Nationals. And so now it doesn't turn, so I got a diff rebuild and I'll show you guys how to keep it from leaking. Now I don't know if this tip will work for other types of diffs. I haven't tried it on every single one, just with the associated buggy ones, and it has worked. Okay, so when you, with your associated gear diff, you'll get this paper gasket-like thing with your diff. This is usually where a lot of the leaking happens. This is at least where it was leaking for mine. So basically, you take this, chuck it in the garbage. What you will do is that you'll replace it with an Xray. Here is the, I guess this is the part number right there. You guys want to get some for yourself? There it is. There's the part number. Yeah, so you get an Xray. Don't be frightened. The holes are still here. You just got to punch them out. And these gaskets are a little bit thicker than the associated ones. I can tell you that I put this on my gear diff, and the gear diff stopped leaking, which was great. Yes, that's just a little tip that I wanted to share with you guys on, not rebuild, but how to get your associated diff to stop leaking. Just use the Xray gasket and you should be good to go if you've already replaced the gaskets that go on the outdrive. Alright? I don't think you guys really want to see me put this diff back together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video or at the track.